Nearly 4 years after the fire, Kathy Kolbenschlag has been living in a motorhome with her daughter and grandkids while her home is still under construction. Rick and Kathleen Hunnicky had sunk all their retirement into building what was, before the fire, their dream house.
Can't replace what you lost. 60 years of working, 60 years, everything from family, everything gone, wiped out.
When they lost their homes, these California families thought things couldn't get any worse until they talked to their insurance companies.
We were all underinsured. It didn't matter who your agent was, which company you were with, when you bought your house, what kind of policy you had.
Julie Tennell's house burned in the Cedar Fire while she was away on a camping trip with her husband and son. So it's from that morning?
From that morning, the fire...
An accounting professor at San Diego City College, Tennell is a homeowner who's comfortable around numbers and fine print.
We had State Farm insurance. We had a guaranteed replacement value. I never once gave a thought to the fact that we weren't insured adequately to rebuild our home.
But State Farm, the largest home insurer in the U.S., offered Tennell and her husband much less than the amount State Farm's own contractor estimated it would cost to rebuild.
You know, we came to find out the hard way that replacement doesn't mean replacement.
So guaranteed replacement value is what you thought you had. What did you have in the end?
Well, it turns out we had something called extended replacement value, and it ends up where that little change in the wording cost us about 60% of our insurance coverage, and that turned to leave us about $280,000 short.
We need that one.
The Hunnickys also learned that their policy wasn't what they thought it was.
When I first got my policy, I got a full replacement insurance policy. And I found out that wasn't the case when the house burned.